Web navigators, hello and welcome to ptitstrucsastucespc. Recently, last October, the new version of UnigetUI was released under the new name UnigetUI. I had tried UnigetUI before, certainly convinced by the software, but it didn't bring me anything more than the one I was using, Patch My PC. However, with this version, things are changing. The user interface is different, and some settings are just as different, so you want to put an end to tedious installations. UnigetUI is now your best friend to manage all your software under Windows. Imagine being able to install, update, backup, and delete your favorite applications in a few clicks without having to search for installation files or type complex command lines. Why should you choose UnigetUI? Simplicity, an intuitive user interface, and a smooth experience, speed. Install dozens of software in the background in minutes. Flexibility. Manage all your software from one place. Automated updates. Keep your software always up to date automatically, which is important for security. Customization. Create custom software lists in case of a complete reinstallation of your operating system. Don't waste any more time reinstalling some of your software after the list you have made. You can select your file and reinstall all the software in the blink of an eye, or almost. Easily find the software you want with the integrated search engine. Installation. Click a button and let UnigetUI take care of the rest. Management. Update, delete, or search for information about your software. Time saving. Say goodbye to long manual installations. Fewer errors. Avoid problems related to incomplete or corrupted installations. Organization. Keep a clear overview of all your software. So ready to try? Download UnigetUI now and discover a new way to manage your software. Click on the link indicated in the description. You have several download choices. Go to your download folder and install the software. I'm going to put it in the Start menu. Now that it's done, I'm going to take the opportunity to rename it. And that's it. You will first have to configure the settings as you wish. Once done, you will have to restart the software. UnigetUI restarts, but as I index the automatic update box, it installs the available updates, which in this case is not appropriate for the Filmora software, which is offered in a version prior to the one installed. So I cancel the installation. For some software, you can either ignore the proposed updates completely and eventually remove them from the list by double-clicking. By right-clicking, the context menu is displayed and you can open the package details. Or choose as shown, ignore only this version of the proposed software. As you have previously configured the settings, it is time to save this configuration. Click on the General Settings tab, then select Export. Open the path where you want to save your file and then save. Here we are in the Installed Packages tab, or under Standby Installed Software. I select all the software. I uncheck the older versions of some software. Once done, in the upper right corner, I click on Add Selection to a Batch. The Package Batches tab is automatically opened. I select all the software again. I can now save the list by clicking on Save Batch As. Open the path where you want to save your file and then save. The day you need to reinstall your operating system. You will only have to click on the Open an Existing Batch tab. Open your file, then select all the software and finally click on Install Selection. When updates are available, you can of course uncheck certain software. As for these software for which I have the license, but only for the specific version, I can ignore these software. To search for software in the repositories, click on the Discover Packages tab, indicate the searched software. Before any installation, check the version of the installed software with the one proposed. It's OK. I check and I install. You have reinstalled UnigetUI. Click on the Settings tab, then General Settings. Select Import, open the path of the backup of your file. Select and open, click on Restart UnigetUI. Four updates are available. Let's see that. Finally, a more recent version of Filmora. Let's go. I will now be able to remove from the ignore list the software. I am in version 14.1.7. Sometimes it happens that you can't find what you are looking for, like this software with which I had ignored the updates. I will therefore remove it from the list and then I will uninstall it. The most recent version offered is 4.10, as soon as it is now at 4.11. The installation attempts turn into failure. I will install it by downloading the executable. Here we have gone around this software. Certainly, you will not necessarily find all the software, but already a large number. This will simplify your task of managing updates, but also reinstallation, in concert with Ease Ustodu PC Trends, which will restore the configurations of your software after installation, and the DSM++ software with which you will have previously saved your drivers. You will have gained the maximum. You have understood it well. All this is prepared in advance with effective tools, of which this software is now a part. I'll see you soon in the next video.